Unlock your design potential. Learn how to create timetables in Canva that will elevate your presentations and make your data shine. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves clean, organized visuals. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you how you can make a table with Canva.com. So Canva it refers to the process of using the platform's tools and features to design and customize tables for organizing data or information visually. This can include adjusting cell sizes, adding text, incorporating colors and styles, and integrating tables into broader designs like reports or presentations. Canva simplifies this process with its intuitive interface, making it easy to create professional-looking tables without advanced design skills. So first of all I have to do is open my browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, all I have to do is just click over sign up and write your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. So here you have the homepage. You can firstly search about table. Once you do that, you will find here various examples. You select the one you want. For example, I will select this one. Then you click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will just zoom this one to be more clear. Then I will add a page here. I will change the color first. For example, I will select here white. Then I will just select this one. I will copy it. Then I will paste it here like that. Then we have here also this one. Copy it again and I will put it here. Then I will just duplicate this one. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. I'll click over duplicate again. This is it. Then right now I will just select this one. I will copy it. Then I will put it here. Copy this one, for example. Paste it here. Then I will click over here and I will just duplicate this one. Like that. Then I will duplicate again. Duplicate. And we have the last duplicate in this size. But I will first select this one. Then I will duplicate this one. Then I will put it here. Then I will duplicate this one again. This is it. Right now I will duplicate this one. And then I will duplicate this one again. Then I will duplicate again. After duplication, I will just show you how you can change the color. For example, this one, I don't want this one. I will just change it to gray. I will just select, here we have change all, yellow to gray. I will select it. Then this is it. Then here we have this color. I will change this color. So for example, I will select this one. And change all like that. As you can see, I changed all these things. Then we have this one, so I will let it like that. Then I will write here, for example, days. Then I'll write here, for example, names. Then I'll write here, for example, marks. Then we have also here days. I will select, for example, Monday. We have Tuesday, for example. Then we have here Friday. Then here we have Saturday. Then here we have Sunday. There are now I'll write names. For example, here we have Mark, and here we have, for example, Chan. For example, here Elizabeth. And here we have, for example, Celine. Now, then I will choose here, for example, Shakira. Double marks, I will just select, for example, here 6, 8, 9, 10 here. Then we'll select, for example, here 7. So this is my table. I will delete this one. This is my table, and this is how it looks. You can just click over here and you get started with Canva, and you're done with creating your table. So Canva simplifies the process of creating attractive tables, making it accessible for users of all skill levels with easy customization options for layout, colors, and text. You can effectively organize and present your information. Mastering table design in Canva announces your visual content, whether for presentations, reports, or personal projects. So happy designing. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. And don't forget, like and comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video. And if you want to know more information about Canva and how it works, you can just come back in the homepage. We have here other things like design, provide business, education, plans, pricing, and learn. Also, we have here the Canva represent fans, content that represent everyone, and other things. And you can just get started as soon as possible. So see ya in the next video.